Hello, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to work on our RAV4. We're going to replace a turn signal here in the back. We're going to use some Auxito LED lights. These are ambers and the build quality on this one are great. So if you want to purchase some Auxito LED lights, I'll put the link in the description below. If you're interested, again, these are the T20 amber. And on each side they have 6 LED chips on each side, which has 4 sides that will make it bright, plus 2 here at front. So come on, let me show you how to install it. Let's go. Okay, so this is the light that we need, or the bulb that we need to replace. So to access this is we need to open our lift gate first. And next thing is we're going to remove this cover. Just pop this one out and we're gonna have access to it. And yep, so just remove these 2 screws in here. And we're gonna slide this one out. All right, so let's do that and we're gonna have access to it. Okay, so these are 10mm bolts or screws, so just remove them. And as I mentioned, once removed, and we're just gonna pull this one out backwards. That's how you remove it. So this is the socket that we need to remove. So let's twist it, remove it. Make sure you don't touch that if you plan on using it in the future, but you can definitely just wipe it with alcohol. So we're just gonna remove this, put the new one in, and we're gonna test it out. All right, so we have the LED back in there, and we're gonna push this, basically just reverse the process, make sure it lines up on the clip and slide it in. All right, there you go. And before we put the screws back in there, we're gonna test it and compare it to the halogen on the other side. It is bright in the garage, but that's fine. We should see some difference on the light output. Let's test it. All right, so definitely bright. This is the halogen. As you can see, the light that it's emitting here on the side versus this one, which lights that one up. Yeah, definitely brighter. Yeah, so just do the same on the other side, and basically that's it. All right, so complete. Passenger side has been installed. As you can see, I'm gonna compare it to the halogen, the way it emits light on the wall earlier with the halogen, compare to the LED. And that's how we compare them. That's a lot brighter, definitely. All right, so if you find this video helpful, please consider unsubscribing If you want to make purchase, put the link in the description below. Again, thank you for watching.